Good morning, students. Today I will teach second semester question paper. Okay, sorry, second semester syllabus also there. Okay, and first semester we are already completed and already given in the our school exam. Okay, and at once I'm telling this sum that is ABC triangle. Okay, two medians are there. Just I will discuss this on the answer will be 1/6. Okay. And the sum, whatever I gave, question number 13. So the very easy sum. Many times I discussed these sums. Okay, that is having triangle, common vertex, and the bases are same straight line. That is, area of the triangle is always equal to the ratio. Okay. Sum of their, that is ratio of their bases, already discussed in the class many times. Okay, most of the students mistakes also there, and you have to similarity, you have to practice nicely at home. Okay, very difficult chapter also this one, and whatever is given, that's what that sums I'm saying this one also. Okay, then after that I will start second semester syllabus also. Now, as I gave these sums, look at here. Suppose ABC triangle is given. This is question number 13. I am saying, okay, question number 13, and here, suppose D is there. ABC triangle is given, common vertex A, and then this triangle basis BD and this triangle basis CD is there. Okay, so very area of the triangle all of you know. Yes, half base into height. Just to draw perpendicular is there. See, this perpendicular sort of E. Then area of the triangle ABD, half base is BD, height is AP, and the triangle ACD, half base CD, height also AP is there. You divide these two triangles. Okay, so write ABD by triangle ACD, half BD into AP by half CD into AP. AP cancel, half cancel, there is BD by CD. Main time discuss in the class. Okay. Understood? So this is to class 8 standard, 9 standard is there. Area of the triangle, half base into height also. Okay. And now question number 24. Look at here. ABC, so this is median, AD median, wait 1 minute, B also median, so their intercept the point G is given. Okay, now if you join CG and extend, look at here. That two median is given, so obviously this is centroid. Okay, the point G is called centroid. If we join CG and extend, look at here, obviously this is third median. Suppose this is P, CP is third median. Keep in mind, CP is third median. And all of you know the median, okay, of a triangle bisect two equal a triangle. Their areas equal. See, look at here. If we call AD triangle, sorry, AD median, bisect the triangle ABC to equal area. That is, area of ABD triangle is equal to area of ADC triangle. Okay. So look at here. This part also na, according to theory, this part 1/6 of whole triangle. This part. Similar this part also, if we consider whole part, that is 1/6 also whole part. Again, if we consider this part or this one or this one, all part are 1/6 of whole part. Simple question I get. With the help of similarity also we can do, no problem in there, okay? But in that way, if we just join CG and extend, then you will get, see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Triangle like that, triangle. The part that is AEG, APG, okay? And PGB, here, DBG, it's like the 6 triangle is there. That is 1/6 of whole part. See, first of ABD triangle, ABD equal to triangle ACD, because AD median, again BGC triangle, GD also median, no? So right, that is here GBD all is equal to area of the triangle GCD. Now subtract this minus this, okay? Whole triangle minus GBD. So we are getting AGB. If we subtract, look at here, ABD minus triangle GBD equal to triangle ACD minus triangle GCD. Okay. Now this part will be ABG, triangle A, right, GB equal to triangle AGC, AGC triangle. Okay. So we are getting, look at here A, this triangle are getting GB and AGC triangle. Similarly, BGC, AGC and BGC equal to AGB. So we are getting now here, if we remove this part, see, look at here, ABG, sorry, right, AGB triangle equal to triangle AGC equal to triangle BGC. So whole 3 triangles are there. The whole part, that is 1/3 of triangle ABC. Yes, no? Again look at here, in triangle AGC, that is AGC, this also median, so both are equal. So this triangle, again, the triangle AGC equal to, sorry, AGE, right, AGE half of the triangle AGC. Again, right, half AGC, again half of 1/3 ABC, 1/3 ABC. So it will be 1/6 triangle ABC. That is triangle AGE. So triangle AGE by triangle ABC equal to 1/6. This sums. Okay. Okay, my dear students. So this is already learned in class 9 also. No problem. Okay. So easy sum. So you will get conceptual sums in exam also. In board exam, all of you remember the formula is very important. Keep in mind. So basic conceptual sums you have to remember. Again, second semester syllabus is there. So their circle is there. Circle is there. Okay. I'll discuss one by one the circle. So all of you know the definition of the circle, no? Yes. A point moves in such a way that a point, so one fixed point is given. So this fixed point is given. A point moves in such a way that the distance from the fixed point to the moving point is always same. Then the locus, that means the path covered by the point, that is moving point. Okay, one curve is formed, is known as circle. See, here the point is there, one point suppose like that moving here. So suppose this figure is known as circle is there. One point suppose P is there here, P, the point is suppose Q, and then point is R, same point is suppose S, that is T. Okay, so like that the point is moving. The distance you know here, the distance from the center, the fixed point is radius. Okay, suppose if O is the center, join T or A, R, or this part is there. Okay, all are radius. Okay, the distance from the center to the moving point is known as its radius, and the line that is greatest chord, okay, passes to center, the straight line. See, the straight line is there. This is the center is known as its diameter. Okay, so diameter equal to 2 into radius. This you already know, and this is the, if you join here, so this is the chord. RT is the chord is there. Okay, everything you know very well. Okay, now one important theory is there. With the help of the theory, okay, that is, so you have to do many application is there of circle chapters. Okay, so you don't tell that this is not your syllabus. Understood? That is, a straight line which passes through the center of the circle. Okay, see, with the help of the theory we have to do many application is there. Okay, of circle chapters. See, I am showing, look at here. The center is there. This is the chord, AB chord. Okay, the straight line which passes through the center and perpendicular to the chord AB. This is center. This is P suppose. Okay, a straight line which passes through the center, suppose like that. See, and perpendicular to the chord, then it bisects the chord. Understood? Keep in mind, a circle which passes through the center and perpendicular to the chord, then it bisects the chord. See? OP perpendicular on AB. Okay, and it always passes the center, suppose Q, the straight line. Okay, optical diameter is there. From here we will join this one diameter. OP perpendicular AB. Then it bisect the chord, that is to prove PA equal to PB. PA equal to PB. Okay. Just to join here. Join. If we consider two triangles, both are radius now, and this is perpendicular is there. Okay, this is the common side, the two triangular equal. Okay, congruent, two triangular congruent. Since congruent, so we can say that is two sides AP, PA equal to PB. Understood? Okay, and here, and a straight line which passes through the center, that is converse theory. A straight line which passes through the center and bisect the chord, then it is perpendicular to the chord. Keep in mind. Okay, a straight line which passes through the center and bisect the chord, then it is perpendicular. That is converse theory also. Okay. And another thing, two equal chords are equidistant from the center. Suppose two chords, look at here, I am writing here, that is PQ, writing PQ chord, and here suppose CD chord is given. CD is, wait. Suppose PQ is there, suppose I am writing to RS. So PQ chord equal to RS chord. Okay, RS chord is given to equal chord. Here important theory is there. Two equal chords are equidistant from the center. Keep in mind. Okay, two equal chords are equidistant from the center. Suppose this center is given. Okay. Now here bisect the corner. This one perpendicular bisect is there. Similar also here. Perpendicular bisect is there. Okay. So you join here. Suppose this center. You join OR and OP. We have to prove equidistance from the center. Suppose center is O. Suppose this is A, this is B. To prove that OA equal to OB. Okay. Now look at here. Just now I discussing now. This is the perpendicular. So pass the center. That is perpendicular. Now if you consider two triangle, look at here. Both are radius. Okay. And AP equal to, AR, we can write half of RS, and PB, we can write half of PQ, and RS, PQ both are equal is given. So it is obviously true AR equal to PB. Okay, AR equal to PB. Now if we consider two triangle, look at here. Both are radius to this one. This equal to this one, and AR equal to PB, and this also 90 degree RHS according to congruency condition is there. Okay, congruency condition RHS. So two triangular equal. Two triangular congruent. Okay, two triangular congruent. Therefore, we can prove here, we can say OA equal to OB. Okay, OA equal to OB. And its converse also is there. Converse theory is also there. That is, converse is there. If two chords are equidistant from the center, then they are equal. Here I am discussing four theories are there. Just all of you remember. with the help of this theory. Okay, we have to do in many application of circles. Okay, you don't tell that this is not in syllabus. It should be known to you. Okay. So again, I am replying, reminding this one. The straight line which passes through the center and perpendicular the chord, then it bisects the chord. Okay. Number one. Number two is circle, that is a straight line which passes through the center and bisects the chord, then it is perpendicular to the chord. Number three, two equal chords are equidistant from the center. Two equal chords are equidistant from the center, and two here, if two chords are equal, then we can say there two chords are equal. Okay. Okay, so all of you remember this theory, then you can start. Few definition is that I discussing. Okay, wait. The theory there I am discussing now. See. So this is center. Okay. So any point you take here, suppose A point on the circle B. AB 2 point on the circle. Now join center here, center O. So this angle is known as, okay, angle of center. Keep in mind, angle of center. Understood? Just join this arc. End point of the arc, join the center, is known as angle subtended at the center. Okay. If you take any point, suppose P, taking P on the circle. Now you join AP and PB. So this angle is formed. Angle subtended at the point P. The circumference is there, P. So this angle is known as angle of circumference. Okay, APB angle is known as angle of circumference. Okay, and AOB is known as angle of, keep in mind, angle of center. So the relation is that AOB equal to twice of APB. Keep in mind, very important theory though. Okay, basic concept you should remember. Okay, with the help of this theory, we have to prove, we have to find out the various type of application we have to solve. Understood? So AOB angle of center, APB angle of circumference. So one area AOB always equal to 2 into APB. Just let me explain this part. Okay, just you join PO and extend up to, suppose this is Q. Obviously this angle, look at here, equal to angle of that is x triangle, all of you know. X triangle is always equal to sum of two opposite interior angle. Okay, this class 8 syllabus is there. See now, one by one is coming. AOQ. See, right, AOQ equal to, you can write here OPA plus OAP. Again look at here, OP and OA both are radius, both are equal, no? Both are equal. So obviously these two angles are equal, no? This angle equal to this angle. Okay, so we can write here AOQ equal to, both are same, so twice of OPA. You can write. Similar way, that side BOQ, right? BOQ always equal to BOQ equal to 2 into OPB. Now add these two relation angle. So AOQ plus BOQ equal to 2 into OPA plus 2 into OPB. Now AOQ, BOQ, you can write both AOB, no? So write AOB equal to twice of 2 common OPA, OPB. So we are getting APB. APB. Keep in mind. Suppose this angle is 30 degree. So this angle will be 60 degree. Keep in mind. Okay. AOB will be 60 degree. This type of question you will get. Understood? Okay, you remember this one. Same arc. See, these are you considering. These are considering angle of center. The opposite side, that is minor arc. This part is major arc. Okay. So there, that side will be angle of circumference is there. Understood? Okay. Again next I will discuss later, not now today. Okay? Bye.